Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I am DMO. Some weeks ago, I promised to drop a mind-blowing update on how you can deposit your Binance account from your local bank account. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually deposit your Binance account, your FTX account, your OKX account, and also I'm going to show you how you can deposit your Gate.io account directly from your bank account. And in most cases, you can take advantage of the price as an arbitrage opportunity. So make sure you watch to the very end to get the full understanding. But before I proceed, you need to know that content like this takes a lot of time and effort to make. So the only two sacrifice and support you are giving me is to make sure you like this video and also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And if you are among the 58% of people watching my content but you have not subscribed, I will urge you to subscribe right now. So with that being said, let's move. Now you are going to benefit from this video in many ways, and you need to know that trading peer-to-peer on Binance can be stressful sometimes regarding delay of payment of releasing coin or making payments, and also getting your local bank account banned by CBN spies that are working on Binance peer-to-peer. But this platform I'm about to share with you has put an end to it, and you can actually overcome all these common problems on peer-to-peer and also take advantage of the price as an arbitrage opportunity. So make sure you watch to the very end to know the rate by which you can buy USDT from this platform and also the name of this platform. Now, first thing you need to do is to head over to this platform, which I will share the link with you on this video. And just as you can see, it says deposit and withdraw Naira on Binance. And using this platform, you can actually deposit and withdraw from Binance directly, you understand? But the withdrawal aspect is not available yet, but with time it's going to be available for everyone. So currently it is only deposit. You can deposit your Binance account from this platform. And also when you click on this option, you can see that you'll be able to deposit your FTX account, your OKX account, your Gate.io account, and also your KuCoin account. And it all depends on the exchange you are using. As for me, I'll be deposited to Binance, so you just got to tap it, then click on Binance. Now when you scroll down, you will see this option that says deposit and withdraw, so you just got to leave it on the deposit section. And you can also find the rate, which I'm going to share with you and expose to you later on this video. And basically the only coin available is USDT because that is a stable coin, and the minimum you can deposit is 10 USDT, you understand? But for me, I'll be depositing 15,000 Naira, so you just got to impute the amount at which you want to deposit, then the equivalent will reflect on the other section that says USDT. And after that, you just got to impute your USDT wallet address on the TRC20 network, you understand? Then you click on continue. Now after imputing your USDT TRC20 address, you just got to click on continue, then wait for it to load up. Now on this section, you just have to input your email address, either from your exchange at all, either from your Binance or your exchange you are using. Now after inputting your email address, you just got to click on continue, then you just have to click on this option that says pay, you understand? Then wait for it to load up, and automatically it will redirect you to a payment gateway for you to make payments. Now you can actually select your bank if it is available here, but since you will not be doing any crypto transaction with bank, I will suggest you go for Cheaper Cash, which are the sponsor of this video. And the reason why I personally recommend Cheaper Cash for this transaction is because it is very easy to operate, and it is the easiest among all the payment methods available. Now if you notice, while using Kuda Bank or your personal bank, you will have to give them access to your mobile app. That's why they request for your email and your password. But for Cheaper Cash, the case is different because you just got to input your phone number only, and that will take us to Cheaper Cash. Now Cheaper Cash is just basically a fintech company that allow you to send and receive money across borders, and there are many things you can do with Cheaper Cash. You can actually get 2% off on airtime usage, and also 0 fees on bill payment. And one lucrative feature I like on Cheaper Cash is that you can actually invest in stock by just clicking on this icon that says invest. Then it will take you to this section for you to invest on the popular stock that is available, and any stock you buy is at the flat dollar rate of 415 Naira. So for you to invest on stock, you just got to set up your Cheaper Cash account, then select the stock you want to invest on. Let me say Tesla, you understand? But currently you can see that this is weekend and the market is closed, but you can make a pending order. You just got to click on buy and the amount at which you want to buy. Now after imputing the amount, you just got to click on next, then confirm the transaction, you understand? Schedule buy, because this is weekend. So that is just basically how you can buy stock from Cheaper Cash. And Cheaper Cash have been in existence for a very long time now and has over 4 million users. And I believe you already know about that and already have an account on Cheaper Cash. But if you are a new member, you can use the link below to get started on Cheaper Cash. And for you to complete the Binance deposit, you will need to deposit your Shipper Cash account first by clicking on this icon that says My Cash. And you just have to send the amount at which you want to deposit your Shipper Cash to this detail provided. And then within few minutes, your money will reflect on your Shipper Cash account. And you can see that I've been using Shipper Cash since 2020. So you just got to download the Shipper Cash app or use the link below to get started. Now, before I proceed to complete the Binance depositing, the name of this platform is known as Ramp, and the URL is known as userramp.africa, which you can see on the screen below. And for the rate, it fluctuates. That's why you can see this rate refreshes in 10 seconds. And currently, you can see that the rate is 606 Naira for 1 USDT. And sometimes the rate can be lower than that of Binance. Then with that, it will not give room for arbitrage. But outside arbitrage, you can also use this platform if you don't want to wait for 15 to 45 minutes on Binance peer-to-peer. So on that note, you just got to select Shipper Cash, then input your Shipper Cash phone number. Then after inputting your phone number, you just got to click on register, then wait for it to load up. Now on this section, you just got to input the OTP that is being sent to your number to confirm that it is you carrying out the transaction. Then after that, you just got to click on continue, then wait for it to load up. And on this section, you just got to follow the instruction that says please click the login button to proceed your payment. So you just got to click on login, then wait for it to load up, and automatically you just got to click on continue again. Then with that, it will take you to this section for where it will show Shipper Cash with your account details, you understand? So you just got to click on Shipper Cash, then it is initiating, then you just got to click on pay, you understand? And you can see that my payment was successful and it is being redirected back to my home page. And you can see that it is successfully completed, so you just got to click on continue. Now the next thing to do is to go back to your Shipper Cash account to confirm if the money actually left your account. And you can see that the transaction was successful. That's why this 15,000 left the account, you understand? And take note that the time is 3:15, so you just got to figure out the time by which the coin will reflect on our Binance account. And you can see that the deposit was successful, and upon checking the time, you can see that it is 3:18, which means it only took 3 minutes of your time to complete this transaction, you understand? And this update I just shared with you is a new update because only few people know about it. And you can see that from their Telegram community, which has only 300 people right now. So that is just basically how to use this platform, which is known as Ramp. So if you have any question regarding to anything I said on this video, you can reach out to me on Twitter at simplydm, or then send me your question where you will get reply instantly. And also use the comment section for your compliment and question where you will get reply instantly. And make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.